Hi guys, and welcome back to Hey Crypto. On today's episode we'll be looking at Cardano, the world's third largest cryptocurrency and a third generation blockchain. Charles Hoskinson, who co-created Ethereum, created Cardano. He almost left the space after his famous TED Talk, but due to high demand returned to create Cardano. On February 2015, in a bar in Osaka, Japan, Charles Hoskinson and friends got together and said it would be really cool to do something like an Ethereum of Japan. The project now is one of the third largest cryptos and one of the most staked. If you have seen my last video, you'll also notice that Charles Hoskinson was one of the co-founders of Ethereum. The Swiss-based Cardano Foundation oversees the development of Cardano and manages two software companies that do the development work. The two for-profit are called Emergo and IOHK, Input Output Hong Kong, which has Charles as the CEO. Cardano's token, ADA, is named after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace. She is known as the first computer programmer as she wrote the first algorithm. Cardano has described itself as a third generation blockchain. This is because of the method it uses to secure and distribute its blockchain called proof of stake. If we look at the generations as phones, Bitcoin can be seen as a Nokia, a revolution in handheld technology with calls and texts. Ethereum 1.0 can be seen as a BlackBerry, a phone that can now take pictures, play multimedia and send emails. Cardano is like an iPhone. It now can do all the above, stream video, has apps, and is much more powerful. Ethereum 2.0 once released will aim to do the same. Cardano has been built from the ground up to run proof of stake, whilst Bitcoin and Ethereum 1.0 is running proof of work. Have a look at my Bitcoin video for more information, but in a nutshell, proof of work uses computer hardware and computational power to create Bitcoin and Ethereum, whilst Cardano and Ethereum 2.0 will use proof of stake, which uses the community to stake crypto and maintain the network. Cardano is a research-led project and it has a library containing 177 peer-reviewed papers. These are written by leading engineers, programmers, mathematicians, and scientists. These papers contribute to building of Cardano and are available for all to scrutinize. Every technology is heavily tested before being released. This shows us how much development has gone into this project. Proof of stake doesn't need expensive mining equipment. Anyone can participate. All you need is a computer, laptop, or mobile phone. ADA owners use ADA to help validate transactions, keep the network running, and secure the network. All this is also called staking. They stake in a chosen pool and in return get ADA over time, around 5% APY every 5 days. Pool operator does the main work and is also rewarded. Currently, there are 2,916 pool operators. The community is huge. This passive income also allows for decentralization. Every pool has a limited number of stakers. According to Cardano Pool Tools, the total staked is 51.7 billion or 72% of the total 65 billion supply. This makes Cardano the most staked crypto by far. This lockup also creates a supply squeeze that will push up prices up as there aren't enough ADA being traded. Everyone is holding on and getting passive income. There is no reason to sell. Cardano's roadmap is broken down into stages. The first stage was Byron. This was when the core of Cardano was built, as well as the two main wallets, Daedalus hardware wallet and Yoroi lightweight wallet. The lightweight wallet is available on Chrome and on mobile. Next stage, Shelley brought greater decentralization by having community-run nodes and staking, It also brought NFTs, non-fungible tokens. The third stage, which we are at now, brought smart contracts. This will allow people to create dApps and DeFi on the network. Tokens have also been improved. The fourth stage, Basho, is the era of optimization. Basho is about improving the underlying performance of Cardano's network to better support growth and adoption for applications with high transaction volume. The fifth and final stage is Voltaire, which focuses on governance. This stage will introduce voting and a treasury system. Network participants will be able to use their stake and voting rights to influence the future of development of the network. To fund the treasury system, a fraction of all transaction fees will be pulled to provide funds for development. When both a voting and treasury system are in place, Cardano will be truly decentralized and no longer under IOHK's management. On the 12th of September 2021, Cardano has been upgraded to Alonzo, which, like Ethereum, introduces smart contracts. It's like launching an app store on the iPhone, except these are called dApps, decentralized apps. These apps cannot be taken down and are censor-proof as they live on the blockchain. It gives everyone a chance to build without Google or Apple being needed, and more importantly, without them banning you. You have total freedom. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, have been available for Cardano since June this year. Unlike Ethereum, they do not need smart contracts and the fees are drastically lower. The only downside with Cardano is that there are a lot less users and content than on Ethereum's marketplace. DeFi, decentralized finance, will be available soon on Cardano. This will allow for more financial products such as lending, borrowing, and higher level staking will be available. This means that you'll be able to get a higher percentage yield on your staking, which will allow you to earn more passive income, an increased amount of passive income, not just from Cardano, but all the upcoming DeFi products. Have a look at Cardano's ecosystem. We are still so early in Cardano's future, and yet we have so much adoption and usage. I think Cardano will have a similar boom to Ethereum's ICO boom in 2017, which took the price of Ethereum from $10 in January 2017 to a whopping $1,400 in January 2018. That's a 13,900% increase in a year. The ICO boom allowed anyone to build cryptocurrencies on Ethereum's network, which included the first game, CryptoKitties, that almost crashed the Ethereum network with its popularity. Cardano's ecosystem is already substantial, and they all participated in the smart contracts test phase. Lessons have been learned and knowledge shared between the projects. Cardano has outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum this year. Bitcoin has gone up by 395% year to date. Ethereum has gone up 919%, and Cardano has gone up 2,228%. That's 5.5 times the amount of Bitcoin and 2.4 times Ethereum's gain. To simplify, if you have put £100 in each project, you would have got £495 with Bitcoin, £1,019 with Ethereum, and £2,328 with Cardano in such a short amount of time. This is before smart contract utility. Once all smart contracts, DeFi, and gaming is live, we will see another huge surge in price. This is because ADA is needed so that these projects can be used. Simply, ADA is the fuel for this huge machine. and more of it will be used, more of it will be locked up. All these DeFi projects and services will need you to trade your ADA for their tokens so that you can use their service. So again, ADA will be taken off the table. When you buy NFTs, ADA will be taken off the table as well. When you stake, ADA is going to be taken again. So with all this, there's going to be an increase in price because demand will surge and usage will surge. To summarize, Cardano is a third generation blockchain and dApp development platform. Charles Hoskinson is the co-founder of Ethereum and created Cardano in 2015 in Japan. Cardano uses proof of stake to generate ADA tokens. It uses peer-reviewed research strategy into its core principles. Cardano has a current supply of 32 billion ADA and a max supply of 45 billion ADA. Cardano owners use their ADA to help validate transactions, keep the network running, and secure the network. All this is also called staking. They stake in a chosen pool and in return get ADA over time, around 5% APY that's distributed every 5 days. On the 12th of September 2021, Cardano has been upgraded to Alonzo, which like Ethereum introduces smart contracts. It's like launching an app store on the phone, except these are called dApps, decentralized apps. Cardano usage will increase over time. We are at the start of the era, like Ethereum with the ICO boom. Only time will tell how well Cardano will perform, but judging by the upcoming projects and the amount of demand for the project, it will be a bright future. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed and you learned something. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. On the next episode, we'll be exploring NFTs, non-fungible tokens. We will be understanding what the craze is all about and how this blockchain technology will revolutionize ownership. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.